This is weather reporter Lily and Papa. It's the first snow of the year. So
And
this to the weather office.
All right, back to the weather office.
Well, Dana, that's a hard act to follow up.
That is absolutely so precious. I also get just that excited about some snow.
Yes, and I was surprised to see it today.
We actually had our high temperatures be a lot colder today than forecasted because of a process known as cold air damping. Essentially, it's when cold air gets stuck around. That's also why we saw a big temperature disparity between areas inland and closer to the coastline. But that contributed to some spots across the state seeing some snow. But I also wanted to share this beautiful sunrise this morning. Kip shared this from Bass Harbor. He said it was taken around 6 in the morning. So when we do have some clouds or some precipitation coming in, sometimes you can get these beautiful sunrises, and that's what we saw today. So thank you so much, Kip from Bass Harbor, for sending this in to us. And our high temperatures today, again, we talked about that big disparity between the coast and inland. For example, a high temperature of 50 today in Portland, but a high of only 36 in Augusta, which is why some areas were able to see a little bit of that snow accumulation. That's from the band that we have right now moving through areas of far northern Maine close to the county. And now we have our next round of precipitation starting to move in. You can see it just there at the bottom of your screen. That is going to be more of the rain variety because we're starting to funnel in some warmer air. That means areas of northern Maine and into the mountains. Right now we have some snow there, but as the snow transitions to rain, you might see a little bit of some ice accretion there, just a light glaze, not that much ice, as you change from snow to rain. So over the next few hours, we'll start to see that transition of that precipitation, on and off rain showers overnight. Overnight temperatures will actually in some spots be warmer than they were during the day because we're funneling in that warmer air. Our overnight temperatures will actually be rising and then will be a lot warmer tomorrow than it was today. High temperatures will be getting into the 50s in some spots. But it's going to be a fairly rainy day tomorrow, on and off rain showers, some heavy at times. You can see right around midday, some of those orange and red colors in areas of the central parts of the mid-coast there, but it's not going to be raining the entire day because right around dinner time we'll start to see the shower activity move out of the state and then some scattered showers during the overnight hours for tomorrow. And then Tuesday, things start to clear out. Some more clouds in areas of northern Maine, some more sunshine closer to the coast, but a stiff west breeze about up to 35 miles per hour. In the afternoon on Tuesday, we do start to increase some clouds a little bit, and there'll be some scattered snow showers in the northern parts of the state. And then the rest of the week is a tad unsettled, but we're not watching any other larger systems. So here I wanted to mention again that slight chance of some ice. Again, we're not going to see too much in many spots across the state just as we're transitioning from the snow to the rain. You might see a little bit of a glaze in the areas that are shaded in that pink color. So in terms of our rain chances tomorrow, a lot more than what we saw earlier today. So we're going to see earlier in the day and then the middle of the day is when we have the most rain coming in, but still overall a much more rainy day tomorrow when in comparison to today. And how much rainfall do we end up getting? Most of us will see about ½ an inch to an inch of rain in total. And I also mentioned that it is going to be a bit breezy behind this front during the day on Tuesday. Wind gusts for most of us will be upwards of about 25 to 30 miles per hour, but we could see an isolated wind gust even higher than that. Marine forecast sees 3 to 8 feet. That gale watch is for Tuesday, but we do have a small craft advisory in effect right now. So according to the 7-day forecast, we're going to see our rain pick up overnight tonight, and then we'll have on and off rain showers during the day tomorrow. Some could be fairly heavy at times. It'll also be a bit warmer. High temperatures will be closer to 50 degrees. Then Veterans Day is on Tuesday. We will have a chance of a snow shower in the mountains, and for the rest of us, it'll be a little bit cloudy in the afternoon and pretty breezy when gusts out of the west. Then there is a chance for a slight shower, a drop or flake we called it, on Wednesday. And then the rest of the week remains a little bit unsettled, meaning it'll be on the cool side, Sam, and overall we'll have more clouds than sun.
All right, Dana, looks like it's becoming winter here.
Oh, yes, it is, Sam.
All right, thank you, Dana.